खुलुमखा ताखक ताई बुकुक सं फाइदिकै जोंतिनि चिनि भिडियो TCS and TPS related history subject ni 10टा important नांगमानि question no discuss खालायनाय TCS and TPS based history subject ni bagai je 10टा question ang tini tui pheka aboni bisingo puila question angkha who is the first viceroy of India ni first viceroy sabo hini o jaga sungjakha takok tai bukuk song norok o jaga o English bai bujina problem mangi tongkai tolao Bengali ni version bo tongo Bengali bo norok question porinai manu omoni answer angkha Lord Canning angkha India ni first viceroy aboni pore Lord Canning ni related koyekta important notes yang norok omono bo nainarak di last governor general of India bo Lord Canning no hangkai o jaga judi norok no question sungjakha hangkai last governor general of India sabo hinai omo Lord Canning no answer angnai aboni pore next question angkha who is known as the father of Indian unrest sabo no hinja oboni answer angkha Bal Gangadhar Tilak no father of Indian unrest hinjago o question ni related koyekta nangmani important notes rokbo norkicha nainarak di omongkha father of Indian unrest je Bal Gangadhar Tilak no hinjago obumung bono saborikha omorikha Valentine Chirol Bal Gangadhar Tilak no obumung rikha aboni pore Pune o first je home rule league shuru khaimani obo khainai bo Bal Gangadhar Tilak no aboni pore Swaraj is my birthright o word use khainai bo Bal Gangadhar Tilak no norok obono bo muituna rakdi Bal Gangadhar Tilak ni kaisa book ni mung no judi sungkangkai omongkha Shivaji aboni pore next question angkha who was given the title of the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity for being the architect and mastermind of the historic Lucknow Pact ni bagai sabono the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity hini khobjaka omono question sungka oboni answer angka Muhammad Ali Jinnah no the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity hini khobjaka Muhammad Ali Jinnah no sabo obomong rikha ba o title rikha omongkha Sarojini Naidu Muhammad Ali Jinnah no the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity hini title rikha o question ni related tai nangmani important notes rokungkha Lucknow Pact bufru surungkha 1960 no norok muituna rakdi 1960 no Lucknow Pact surungkha tai 1960 no je Lucknow Pact mani afro president sabo afro president angkha AC Majumdar omorok no norok kicha muituna rakdi aboni pore next question angkha which of the following was a leader of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army founded 1928 mane o jaga sungjakha 1928 o Hindustan Socialist Republican Army ni leader sabo hine o jaga sungjakha omoni answer angkha Chandrasekhar Azad 1928 o je Hindustan Socialist Republican Army sanamjaka omoni bagai board leader hini chongjakha oboni related nangmani important notes rokungkha Hindustan Socialist Republican Army bufuru surungkha omongkha 1928 o tai bo jaga surungkha omongkha Firuz Shah Kotla Delhi bo aboni pore next question angkha who shot dead John Sanderson on 17 December 1927 ni 17 December o John Sanderson no sabo silai kokha ba sabo bathaka bono omhini o jaga question sungjakha omoni answer angkha Bhagat Singh omoni related koyekta nangmani important notes rokbo norok kisa khlaina rakdi actually Bhagat Singh o jaga o John Sanderson no bathana bagi thaya bo bathana bagi thangmani Scott no haipano a jaga o Scott no malia abon bagi bo John Sanderson no goli kogoi bathari paikha aboni pore next question angkha the Pune Pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Desh tongma jaga norok fill in the blank ma khainai o jaga ta answer nai omoni answer angkha Dr. B.R. Ambedkar o question related koyekta nangmani notes rok angkha omongkha Pune Pact bufuru surungkha Pune Pact surungkha 1932 24 September o tai omo saboni bisingkha Gandhi tai Ambedkar ni bisingo Gandhi ji bai Ambedkar ni bisingo kintu Pune Pact angkha haipano afro norok muituna rakdi Gandhi ji kintu afro jealous tongo hongke Gandhi ji bai Ambedkar ni bisingo je chukting mani omo bahaikai angkha Ambedkar ni throtei signing authority khoroksa rohjaka bini bumung angkha Madan Mohan Malviya jelo thangai Gandhi ji ni sign nakha omo haikeno borok Pune Pact ni bagai chukti khaileka o chukti koi boso ni bagai o chukti angkha 10 boso ni bagai aboni pore next question angkha Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Bengal ni first Governor General sabo hini o jaga songjaka oboni answer wngkha Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings wngkha Bengal ni first Governor General. Oboni related koyekta nangmani important notes rok bo norok muituna rakdi. Omongkha norok muituna rakdi first Governor General of Bengal wngkha Warren Hastings. Tai last Governor of Bengal bo Warren Hastings no. Norok o jaga bo confusion ta khaidi first Governor General of Bengal sabo hini songjaka hangkai oboni answer bo Warren Hastings nongnai tai last Governor of Bengal sabo hini songjakai bo oboni answer bo Warren Hastings no ongnai. Oboni related tegaisa nangmani important notes wngkha last Governor General of India sabo hini nongno songkangkai omongnai Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck wngkha last Governor General of India. Aboni pore next question wngkha who gave the slogan back to the Vedas? Back to the Vedas o slogan sabo rikhaini o jaga songjaka omoni answer wngkha Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati back to the Vedas o slogan no rikha. Omoni related koyekta nangmani important notes rok bo norok kisa nainadi. Omongkha Dayanand Saraswati ni tegaisa bumung wngkha Moul Shankar. 1875 o Arya Samaj je swnamjaka omo bo Dayanand Saraswati ni tino swnamjaka. Dayanand Saraswati ni koyekta nangmani important je slogan rok ni bisingo wngkha India for Indians omo bo Dayanand Saraswati no o slogan no rikha. Bini koyekta important books rok wngkha mane bo je important books rok seimani omon bisingo Satyarth Prakash Vedabhasya tai Vedabhasya Bhumika omor norok kisa muituna rakdi. Aboni pore next question wngkha in 1917 which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi from Champaran? 1917 o Mahatma Gandhi ni through Champaran o bo movement puila shuru wngkha hini o jaga songjaka omoni answer wngkha Satyagraha. Satyagraha movement Champaran ni simi shuru wngkha bufuru 1917 o. Aboni pore next question wngkha who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University? Banaras Hindu University ni founder sabo omon hini question songjaka o jaga omoni answer wngkha Madan Mohan Malviya. 1916 o bo o Hindu University no swnamkha. Oboni related je nangmani important notes norok omono bo kisa muituna rakdi. Madan Mohan Malviya ni tegaisa bumung tongo omongkha Mahamana. Madan Mohan Malviya no Mahamana hini bo sinijago. O Mahamana sabo bumung rikha bono omongkha Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi bono Mahamana hinei bumung rikha. Aboni pore next question wngkha where was the Azad Hind Force founded? Azad Hind Force bo jagao swnamjaka omoni answer wngkha Singapore. 1943 ni 21st October o Azad Hind Force swnamjaka. Omoni pore o question related koyekta nangmani important notes rok no bo norok kisa naina rakdi. Omongkha Azad Hind Force puila sabo swnamkaini borok jodi norok no songkangkai aboni answer wnghnai Rajbihari Bose. Rajbihari Bose kintu puila Azad Hind Force bo swnamka. Rajbihari Bose ni pore se olo Subhash Chandra Bose phai Azad Hind Force no join khaika bufuru join khaika bo join khaika 1943 o Singapore ni semi Subhash Chandra Bose Azad Hind Force no join khaika. Hangke norok obono kisa kahamke muituna rakdi norok jodi songkangkai Azad Hind Force puila sabo swnam ba first found sab khai omo hini norok no jodi songkangkai omoni answer wnghnai Rajbihari Bose. Aboni pore se Subhash Chandra Bose Azad Hind Force no join khaika. Subhash Chandra Bose Azad Hind Force o bufuru join khaika omoni answer wngkha 1943 tai bo jagani simi join khaika bo join khaika Singapore ni simi. Hangke takuk tai bukuk song tini ni bagai asungno जों tini chino video o TPS and TCS related history subject ni bagai je nangmani koyekta important question no discuss khalaika जों omo haino next video bo TCS and TPS related nangmani question rok no tui phainai norok an channel ko talangi tongkai an channel no subscribe khaina rakdi khulumka jotono no Jai Hind.